Ever feel like you're drowning in data entry?
Oh, yeah.
We're going to dive into a real-world Acumatica problem.
Okay.
A problem and solution that's all about saving you time
All right.
and headaches.
Love that.
So imagine this.
Okay.
A client accidentally creates 6,000 AP bills in Acumatica,
Oh, wow.
all in release status,
Yikes.
making manual deletion impossible.
Yeah.
Talk about frustration, right?
That's a lot of bills.
To help us break this down, we have Mamta.
Okay, great.
She's an associate functional consultant with 13 years of ERP experience.
13 years. That's amazing.
She's got a knack for tackling those tricky Acumatica situations.
Yeah, she sounds like the right person to talk to.
And she actually found a clever solution using Acumatica's import scenarios feature.
Oh, interesting.
I'm excited to dive into this one.
Yeah, me too.
So deleting released AP bills in Acumatica
Yeah.
normally requires manual reversal
Right.
and application of debit adjustments.
Yeah.
You can imagine doing that for 6,000 bills.
That would be a nightmare.
I can't even imagine that.
Yeah, a total nightmare.
So Mamta, along with her company, Tayana Solutions,
Okay.
came up with a really great solution.
All right.
They created 3 import scenarios
3?
Yes.
Wow.
to automate this whole process.
That sounds way better.
So the first scenario reverses the AP bills,
Okay.
which generates the debit adjustments.
Right.
But those debit adjustments are initially on hold.
That makes sense.
Then scenario number 2
Okay.
releases the debit adjustments.
Ah.
And then the third scenario
Gotcha.
applies those released debit adjustments to the original AP bills,
So they just disappear.
effectively deleting them.
That's really clever.
Yeah.
It's a really elegant solution.
Right.
Yeah.
Because if anyone else is facing bulk deletion issues in Acumatica,
Right.
they could use this
Absolutely.
same solution
Yeah, it's really valuable for sure.
in Tayana Solutions.
Yeah.
It's actually the largest Acumatica services partner out there,
Wow. The largest.
and they specialize in implementation, customization, and support.
That's a lot of expertise.
They've seen it all.
Yeah. Sounds like it.
And Mamta herself has tackled over 150 unique scenarios
150.
using different Acumatica tools
She must be amazing at this.
like reports, inquiries, business events, security, import and export scenarios.
So they really know their stuff.
It's incredible.
Yeah, that's impressive.
So what we learned today is don't get bogged down by tedious manual tasks in Acumatica.
Right.
Import scenarios can be a really powerful tool for automation.
Really powerful.
So if you're facing similar challenges
Okay.
or just want to figure out how you can optimize your Acumatica processes,
Right.
contact Tayana Solutions.
Okay.
Their number is 678-910-2774.
Got it.
Remember, there's always a creative solution waiting to be discovered.
Love it.
Keep diving deep,
Yeah.
and you'll unlock new levels of efficiency in your Acumatica world.
That's a great takeaway.
I think so too.
Awesome.
All right, thanks for joining.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.
Of course.
That was fun.
Yeah, it was a good one.
Okay, bye.
Bye.